Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering down and unplugging the HP laptop. Once done, remove any removable battery to prevent power. Make sure to wear an ESD strap and organize screws in labeled containers because small fasteners differ. Use a plastic pry tool to lift the bottom cover, starting at a corner and working around slowly. This prevents clips from breaking. You will need a Torx or Phillips driver for remaining screws. Once the last screw is out, lift the panel and set it aside carefully. You now support the display while removing hinge screws. Once done, tilt the screen forward and secure it so it won't fall. Carefully pry off the bezel to expose the LCD assembly, and then locate and unplug the display data cable plus any inverter or LED backlight cables. This prevents pin damage. Make sure to note cable routing and connector orientation. Take a photo if needed, because correct reassembly depends on exact placement. Put the removed display on a soft surface face down. You place the new touch screen into position, aligning the mounting tabs, and then reconnect the display data cable plus the touchscreen flex cable. Once connected, temporarily power the laptop to test display and touch responsiveness. If touch works, power down again and secure hinge screws, replace the bezel and snap clips into place, then reinstall the bottom cover and battery. If touch fails, try reseating connectors and checking for bent pins. If still not working,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.